Everyone wants to be rich, but the real question is, can someone actually become rich in just 1 year? The honest answer is yes, but not for everyone. It's only possible for those who are focused, disciplined, and willing to work harder and smarter than most people. Becoming rich doesn't mean owning a mansion or a private jet within a year. It means reaching a level where your income is higher than your expenses, and your money starts working for you. Let's take a look at some real-life examples. Elon Musk didn't become a billionaire overnight, but when he sold his first company, Zip2, in his 20s, he made over $20 million because he built something useful with technology. Alex Hormozi became a millionaire by helping businesses grow through sales and marketing strategies, not luck. Even creators like Mr. Beast spent years reinvesting everything he earned into his content before it finally paid off. The pattern is, clear money follows value, and value comes from skills and consistency. So how can someone realistically become rich in 1 year? The first step is to learn a high-income skill. This could be copywriting, coding, video editing, digital marketing, or using AI tools. These skills can help you earn thousands of dollars a month if you take them seriously. You can learn them from YouTube, free courses, or affordable platforms like Udemy. The second step is to start freelancing or consulting. Use websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn to find your first clients. Even if you start small, delivering good results can lead to better opportunities. Building cash flow is more important than getting rich overnight. From months 2 to 4, focus on getting real work experience and understanding what clients actually need. The third step, from months 5 to 8, is to scale your income. Once you have steady clients or a working service, raise your prices and create systems. This could mean outsourcing some of your work or offering packages. You could also start creating content or digital products based on your skill. This way, you're not just trading time for money anymore, you're building something that grows. The final step, from month 9 to 12, is to invest your profits. This could mean investing in your own brand, starting a YouTube channel, buying digital tools or assets, or putting money into stocks or a side business. The goal is to make your money grow. Many people make money, but very few know how to keep and grow it. That's what separates someone who gets lucky from someone who becomes truly wealthy. It's important to understand that not everyone will succeed in just 1 year. There will be failures, frustration, and moments when you feel like quitting, but people who keep going, who learn from mistakes and stay focused, are the ones who succeed, just like Steve Jobs, Mark Cuban, or even everyday freelancers who became millionaires by being consistent. You don't need to be a genius to become rich. What you really need is discipline, focus, and a clear strategy. Becoming rich in a year is possible not through luck or shortcuts, but through learning a valuable skill, solving real problems, and taking action every single day. This is not just motivation, it's a roadmap based on reality and real people. Focus on creating value and money will follow.